Let's make some mini crispy chicken skewers in the air fryer. I've got 500 grams of chicken here, some chopped peppers and onion in here. I'm gonna add some salt, mayonnaise, soy sauce, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, 1 egg, some starch. Mix everything. So this is all mixed up. I'm gonna use these mini skewers. So take a pepper, piece of chicken, maybe an onion, another piece of chicken, and you just make mini skewers like this. All the skewers are ready. These are the breadcrumbs that I use. Now take each chicken skewer and coat it with the breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna coat all the chicken skewers. These are all done. Now take your air fryer, place the chicken skewers in there. Now these are gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. It's been 12 minutes. Now I'm gonna flip all of these, spray them. I'm gonna put these back in the air fryer for 5 to 6 more minutes. Chicken skewers are ready.